Hey everyone, this is a super chill video. I'm just here vibing and doing my own stuff. It's kind of like I'm here hanging out with you. So feel free to keep doing your own thing while I am here. It's like we're just spending time together, so no pressure. I have always wanted to have my own design space, not a full blown out design studio, at least not yet, but just a creative space where I feel inspired. You know what I mean? And honestly, this is where I am starting right now. This little setup I have here right now, this is what I've got. And you know what? I'm finally loving the space I am working at. It's been hard for me to have a space like this because I've been moving around a lot. Every time I go somewhere new, I try to not to get attached to the space. I tell myself, oh, I'll be moving out soon, so why bother decorating it? Why make it feel like home? But now that I think about it, that's such a restrictive way to live. I have realized that I have not been giving myself permission to connect with the spaces I keep moving because I always think it's such a short period. But when you really think about it, even a short period like 6 months is so long. Let me do the math. It's like 6 months is about 180 days, and if you multiply it by 24 hours, that's almost 4,320 hours. Imagine how much you can do in that time. Imagine how much you could experience if you lived fully and loved everything that surrounds you. If you think about it that way, every hour, every minute, every second counts. While I was shopping for my desk setup, I didn't want to buy anything too expensive, but I also didn't want to go for super cheap stuff from places like Temu or Shein because the quality there isn't great, like we all know. So I was looking for something affordable but still nice. So I checked thrift stores, local stores, and even gift shops, but most of the time, if I liked the aesthetic, I didn't like the price. It was such a struggle. Then I came across this cute TikTok and YouTube shorts about shopping at Five Below. I checked the quality online just through looking at few shopping videos, and I really loved it. So I ordered most of my ceramics that I have on my desk decor from there. I didn't even expect to find something like these cute aesthetic ceramics at a store like Five Below. I really love them. I do have to compromise a little on the color scheme because these were the best options available. But honestly, I love how they turned out. Like everything you're seeing here is almost $5 each. Around $10, and it's a wireless typewriter style keyboard. Even though it's a functional, I can actually connect my iPad to this keyboard and use it like a normal keyboard. I'm mostly going to use it as a stand to keep my iPad. and I love how it ties everything together. So I also got this Razer Siren Mini V3 mic and I'm super excited about it. It's a compact, ultra portable USB microphone, but honestly, don't let the size fool you. The only drawback is that you can't carry it around because it's not so portable. But if you are okay with creating videos at home, then this is a good recommendation. The mic has a super cardioid pickup pattern, which basically means it focuses on my voice while minimizing any kind of background noise. It's perfect for voiceover, streaming, or recording podcast. I'm using it with my MacBook Pro, so I do need to use a converter plug to connect it. But once it's set up, it's super easy to use. Just plug it in and you are good to go. I'm actually using this mic for all the voice recordings on my channel. Let me know if you like the audio quality. I personally find it pretty good for the budget. And what I love the most is how sleek and minimal it looks. It doesn't take up much space on my desk, but it feels really professional. The sound quality is great for the price, and it's a perfect option if you want reliable audio without breaking the bank. I also love how the mic features a nice seamless cable integration. Like the slot at the back ensures the wire fits perfectly so it remains flush with the surface. These are the kind of details I really love about any product because it shows that the product designers who were working on this product were thinking about form, function, harmony. So this is the setup I have so far. I still have more items arriving next week, but it looks cute for now.
That's insane. I've been trying to talk to him and he keeps avoiding me like a guilty person, so I approached him at his weekly basketball game.
It's all in the tiny details, in the little decisions you make, like the outfit you choose, the hairstyle you try, or even the nail polish you pick. Those tiny details bring joy, and that joy adds up. It makes you feel like your life is in control, you know? I've been reflecting on this a lot lately because honestly, I tend to overthink. I think unnecessarily deep thoughts every other day. That's just who I am. And I realized I have been applying the same restrictive mindset to my career. I have always wanted to start my own design studio and do my own thing, but I keep looking for safe options. Now, don't get me wrong, comfortable, stable roles are great, but for me, every year I would start something on the side, like a YouTube channel, an Instagram page, or some kind of project. And just when it starts to grow, I get scared and I just pull back. It's like I'm afraid to see what happens if I actually let myself go all in. Maybe it's because I don't know what I would do if it grew bigger. Like I keep questioning myself, would I be able to handle all of that? Or maybe I'm just scared of failing. It's such a cliche thing to say, but that's how I feel. But this time I kind of feel different. Like this time I'm really depending on the positive thoughts. I'm trying to lean into them, to trust the good energy. I'm not waiting for the perfect opportunity or moment anymore. Like those perfect moments never come. Like seriously, it's almost 2025. If I keep waiting, I'll blink and it'll be 2030 and I'll still be waiting for that perfect day. So I decided I'm going to not wait around anymore, and I'm just going to work with what I have and where I am right now. So I finally got the Amazon delivery I've been waiting for. It included a Kuromi plushie, a lamp, a desk mat, and some posters I ordered. Posters look pretty decent. I wasn't expecting this kind of print quality. I had really low expectations because I was ordering this on Amazon, but it turned out pretty good. and this is a wrist rest for my keyboard. I saw this cloud design from a designer on Instagram using it, and I completely fell in love with it. Honestly, it's my favorite part of the desk setup. It has like a sturdy bottom but is slightly plushy on top, so it supports my wrist really well during long work sessions. I usually tend to work on my laptop more than my computer, so this has been such a game changing addition to my desk. Also, is there something you have been holding back from splurging on? Something that might seem small to others but would make a big difference to you. It could even change your perspective or improve your day to day life. If you have something like that, feel free to share it with me in the comments. I would really love to know. Now, here's the final look of my setup. It looks great at night when all the lamps of my desk are turned down. Let me know what you think. Well, that's it for today. I have a super informative video planned for the next one, so stay tuned.